What up, people? As you can see, I got my 94 Corvette. I'm attempting to put on a wide body kit to accommodate my 20-inch fuel wheels. You want to see the tire ratio? I think it's 305 by 30. It's pretty wide. This is the kit. Just a little cheap one I got off of eBay, you know, just to see how deep I need to go into getting a kit or creating one. So I'm gonna give you a mock-up of what it'll look like with it on. There you have it. I still think some more needs to be done on the bottom, you know, but we shall see. So stage one, wide body kit, C4 Corvette.